Hello, everyone. My name is Dr. Mary House with CHR Inc. We would like to invite you all to attend our free Smog Repair Assistant Workshop. We've partnered up with the American Lung Association and the Smog-Free Clark County Repair Assistant Program to bring you an informative workshop where you can learn how to receive up to $975 in vehicle smog repairs. So if you have a vehicle that's 1999 and older and you're currently failing the smog check inspection, this is where you want to be on October the 26th between 6:30 and 8:30 p.m. at Mountaintop Faith Ministries, 2845 Lindale Road. Please bring the details below and the needed information to qualify for this program, and there will be free pizza. Additionally, the SFCC team would be available to help you apply on the spot when you bring the needed information. But if you need more information, just visit smogfreeclarkcounty.com's website and call them at 702-805-5882. We hope to see you there.